Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn any content in your Telegram channel into paid content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload and lock your images, videos, documents, or other files so only your paid subscribers can access them. This is perfect for creators, educators, or anyone looking to monetize their community, and I'll guide you every step of the way so you get it right the first time. Let's jump straight in. First, open your Telegram channel, the one where you want your paid content to live. Make sure you're operating as an admin since only channel owners or admins can set up paid posts. Once you're inside your channel, look for the paperclip icon. This is Telegram's quick way to add media or files to any post. Sometimes it's at the bottom of your screen, right next to where you type messages. Tap that paperclip and you'll get a menu with several choices. Here, where things get interesting, you're not limited to just one kind of content. You can choose an image, a video, a document, or really any type of file you'd like to lock for paid access. For example, maybe you have a premium tutorial PDF, an exclusive behind-the-scenes photo, or a members-only video series. Go ahead and select your content now. You can even add a caption to catch your viewers' attention or explain what they're purchasing. Now, this next step is crucial. Once you've chosen your file, look for the three dots. Usually they appear somewhere on the content preview window. Click or tap on those three dots. This is Telegram's hidden menu for post options, and it's where the magic happens. In that menu, you'll see the option that says Make this content paid. Select that, and you'll be taken to the unlock settings. At this point, you'll need to set your unlock cost or choose how many stars are required for access. If you're new to Telegram's paid features, think of the unlock cost like a ticket price. It's the amount users will pay to get your exclusive content. The system might let you type in a number or pick from predefined amounts, depending on how your channel is set up. If you're not sure how much to charge, pause for a moment and think about the value you're providing. For example, if it's a detailed ebook, you might want to set a higher price than you would for a single photo. Don't worry if you want to adjust the price later. Telegram allows you to change unlock costs for new posts at any time. Once you've entered the price or chosen your star amount, now it's time to save your settings. Double-check that everything looks right, the content, the price, and any captions. Hit the Save button, which locks in your payment settings. Just one step left now, send your post. When you press send, your paid content goes live. Only users who pay using Telegram's built-in payment system will be able to unlock and view your special content. For everyone else, it'll appear locked until they complete the payment. That's all there is to it. You've just created paid content in your Telegram channel, no fancy tools needed. If some steps were a little tricky, don't worry, they get easier with practice. Feel free to experiment with different types of content or price points to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I love helping out and answering your Telegram-related questions. Don't forget to subscribe so you catch all my future tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.